Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Latest Fashion Trends. Please viewers, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I could never say how much I like you and just how special you are to me. But I can say that my world is all smiles. Whenever I am with you, I love you a lot. You are the first and last thing on my mind each and every day. No one care ever replace your love in my heart and in my soul. You will always be my one and only love. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. When I miss you, I read our old conversations, smile like and I dot, listen to songs that remind me of you, then miss you more. You are my second varied half. I love going crazy with you. I just want to lay on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. How do I love thee? Let me count the ways I love thee to the depth and breadth and height my soul can reach. You are quite, can I keep you? Every life in this world has been planted by God's own hands. That's why I am thankful to God. Because when He planted my life, He included a lovely color that is you. To me, you are perfect, yes, you. I knew at once that you were meant for me. Deep in my soul, I know that I am your destiny. I want to wake up at 24 and roll over, see your face, and know that I am right where I am supposed to be. I want you, all of you, your flaws, your mistakes, your imperfection. I want you and only you. The first day you came into my life, I realized that you will stay here until the end. I will love you till the end of time. Every time I look at the keyboard, I see that you